What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Thank you so much for tuning in. It's me, Mikey Pipes. Simple service call today. Bathroom faucet leaking. Homeowner tried to tighten it up. And now we're here to clean up the mess and do it the right way. I'm going to show you step by step how we take out this broken, I guess he didn't realize his own strength, widespread bathroom faucet. Step by step. I got the meta glasses. So stick around, smash that thumbs up button. If you haven't done so already, subscribe. It's the best way you can support the channel. And we're going to replace this properly. No shortcuts, no callbacks, no bullshit. Let's go! Start my time. House Code Pro. Start my time. We started the time.
There's a plan with Faucet?
Yep.
Hey.
Hi.
How are
We're
you?
going to put a faucet in for you.
Yeah. Great.
Yeah. All right. Let's see what you got. Really dumb. Let's see. Maybe. Okay. All right, that's off. And that's off. Perfect. Well, let's see how bad it is in there. All right. That's just hand tight. There's that one. There's that one. They're both hand tight. Can I have the little baby channel lock? Thank you very much. Wow, you could be like the OR technician. All right. I'm the surgeon, all inside of her.
I'm the nurse.
And you're the nurse. You're the pipe nurse. You're the pipe nurse. And the mission is to successfully replace the pipes. That was funny. Get paid for this shit. Yeah, not too shabby, huh? Carlos recommended a Delta here. That's interesting.
No, I just showed it and said that was fine.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh, it doesn't really matter. Carlos is a good guy. When he's drunk. I'm joking. All right, so those are apart. Let's focus on getting this thing out of here. Will it cooperate? Yeah.
Sorry, did you say that again?
No, shut up, Siri. I bet you a lot of people think that I don't even own a basin wrench. But I've had this basin wrench.
Yeah, it looks like you went to Walmart.
I've had this basin wrench for about 20 plus years. All right, so right now we are disassembling the mount for the spout itself on this widespread faucet. And if you pull out that spout, Derek, we will see light. Ta-da! All right, let's work on the hot side. Let's see if this will cooperate. Holding my breath. Goddamn thing, whole thing is turning. Is it possible for you to grab a wrench and hold back on that so it doesn't spin?
On this?
Yeah.
I go.
With a wrench. Using a wrench to hold back on that?
I'm using my hand.
No, use a wrench. Grab it with a wrench. Dig into it. And hold back on it while I try to spin this bad boy off. Otherwise, we have to cut it off. Ready?
Here you go.
Are you holding back on it?
On the side?
Is it moving around?
Yeah, on the top.
So I don't want it to move around, Derek. You ready? What?
I'm gonna grip this.
Just grip wherever it was spinning. Just grab it. It doesn't matter. We're replacing the faucet. It's going in the garbage.
Yeah. Alright, try. No. I think I can whip something small.
Something small? Like what? What were you grabbing it with? And you can't grab that? And it's...
No, yeah, I was grabbing the sides, but like you said, the top was moving still.
So grab the top of it.
I can't. Look, I'm gonna take a photo. Look,
Just... Okay, take a photo. Ew. Cocky. Are you ready?
Lost my grip.
What?
I'm using a baby channel.
Baby channel locks? I think, okay, whatever. You'll have more leverage with a larger wrench.
Go.
Spinning, isn't it? Not as much, or if it's, yeah, if it's moving, Derek, the point is we don't want it to move, right? Are you ready?
Alright, go.
Hey, wow, you finally held on to it. We're gonna have to cut this out. Put the sawzall on a nice new metal blade, but let me just lower this enough. Maybe, just maybe, we will go all the way down with this. All right, go to the other one. Am I ready? Yeah, you ready?
Yeah.
Come on, baby. Not what I want to hear, Derek.
Nah, I got the grip. I just lost grip. That's it.
You got what?
I just lost the grip.
You lost the grip? So we're good now? Let's try again?
Yes.
Okay. You ready? You lost the grip again? Wow. That is crazy. That's all. This is probably going to say the model number. Nope. Do not allow tubes to twist during installation. And it says for hot water side. You think that they would put the model number on there for like, so like when they need to like repair parts, get repair parts, it'll. Alright. We will put them out like that. You know, Kohler was one of the first companies that I was aware of that made these retention nuts with screws. So once you tighten it up, you use a Phillips screwdriver and tighten it up. We'll give them a little extra on it. Smart. Now you see how they're both pointing that way?
Yeah.
When I go under there, you're going to make sure that they stay in that position. Okay. Also, right now they're closed in the closed position. Okay. You know, you turn it
Like
counterclockwise and clockwise to open them. So right now they're both off. All right, so let's get that on there with our nut. All right, and you hold that still, Derek. Thank you. Or is it where it needs to be?
Yep.
Okay. Are you sure? I don't have to do this again once I'm tighten this up. Let me have a Phillips screwdriver, please.
where is it?
I don't know. It's not up there. No, it's not up there. No, it's not down here.
Definitely somewhere. This is a flathead.
Oh, I have it holding back on the valve. All right. Okay. So that is the hot. Now we do the cold. What?
Can I start holding it down now? Or
Yeah. Is that where it needs to be?
Yep.
Okay. Let's tighten these up. Okay. All right, is that where it needs to be?
Yes.
Okay. Let's see, get you one right there. And this crazy nut. Okay. Now I need the basin wrench. Actually, yeah, basin wrench. All right, now. And a little child. Is that snug? Not going anywhere?
Nah, yeah.
It's tight?
Yeah.
Crazy tight?
Maybe if you want to tighten it a little bit.
Does it move around at all? Yeah, a little bit. Okay. How about now?
Should be alright.
Okay, because the metal clip that holds it in is actually bending.
Alright, it's fine.
Man, these faucets really got very, very dumb over the years.
Should be about that.
This is a stupid little...
Why fitting?
Yeah, it's a stupid little Y fitting. Back in the days, we had metal hoses and things like that, but whatever. Times have changed. All right, now this thing is like loose as a goose. Wow. Well, the customer supplied. Hopefully it's good.
Channel lock?
I need a little channel lock. A little channel lock. And we hold back with this and that. You know what? Give me the other wrench. The other channel lock.
I should have just.
Let's see if I can. All right. Now the cold. All right, now we check for leaks. All right. There it is. See that?
Yeah.
My granddaughter, future plumber. All right, let me get up in there with this thing again. Not too shabby. And that little wrench takes out the aerator. Zip tied right there. See, if they need it, they got it. Beautiful.